Guide to Collaborative Institutional Training Initiative, CITI program, presented by Tennessee State University Institutional Review Board, Office of Research and Sponsored Programs, developed by Dr. Monique McAllister. What is the CITI program? CITI is a volunteer organization whose goal is to develop and distribute high-quality, peer-reviewed educational resources designed to raise awareness to the responsible conduct of research for all members of the research team. CITI maintains an educational website where participating organizations can design and roll out a customized curriculum for their investigators, students, and staff. The CITI program is available at www.citiprogram.org. June of 2000, the Department of Health and Human Services mandated that training in human subjects protections be underway. Under the federal guidelines, terms of the Federal-Wide Assurances, or FWA, for institutions within the United States announced, and then implemented in 2005, the educational training components. The OHRP strongly recommends that an institution and designated IRBs establish educational training and oversight mechanisms appropriate to the nature and volume of its research to ensure that research investigators, IRB members, and staff, and other appropriate personnel maintain continuing knowledge of and comply with the following: relevant ethical principles, relevant federal regulations, written IRB procedures, OHRP guidance, other applicable guidance, state or local laws, and institutional policies for the protection of human subjects. Furthermore, OHRP recommends that A, IRB members and staff complete relevant educational training before reviewing human subjects research, and B, research investigators complete appropriate institutional educational training before conducting human subject research. The CITI courses include Human Subjects Protection, with sub-courses in Biomedical Sciences, Social and Behavioral Sciences, and International Research. Good Clinical Practice has 14 modules. HIPS has 18 modules. Lab Animal Welfare has 2 courses, a basic course and a species-specific course. Responsible Conduct of Research has 105 modules and case studies within 4 disciplines. Biosafety. The CITI program main page looks as follows. On the main page, click Register in the upper top of the right-hand side of the page. The registration process involves the following steps. There is a 7-step page process to register. The 7 pages are as follows. First, you will be asked to name your organization affiliation, which is Tennessee State University. Second, select that you agree to the terms and conditions after reading the terms and conditions. Select Continue to move on to step 2. Next, you will be asked to provide your name and email. Then select Continue to move on to step 3. Be sure to enter the email address to which you will have consistent access, as well as the email address to which you want the institution to have on file for you. Create your username and then create a password. Select Continue to move on to step 4. Select your country of residence, which is the United States. Type USA. Then select Continue to move on to step 5. This page allows you to select whether you would like continued education unit credits. You may choose No for this option. Choose the No option for this question concerning CITI contacting you for future participation in their research surveys, and then select Continue to move on to step 5. Once you've completed your information, you will be asked to select a course. Complete your school information and select the course that is applicable to your field of study. Specifically, your study for the IRB for which you will be applying is the one that you need to complete this course. select Continue to move on to Step 7. This description provides the scope of work definitions for the various courses in which you will have access. The biomedical science course contains a set of applied sciences for formal science or both to knowledge, interventions, technology that are used in healthcare or public health. Behavioral sciences is a branch of science such as psychology, sociology, anthropology that deals primarily with human action and often seeks to generalize human behavior within society. Social sciences provides a perspective framework to study the process of social systems through impacts of social organization on structural adjustment of individual groups. And it includes fields like sociology, economics, public health, anthropology, demography, and political science. Once you've selected your field, then you will answer the questions to determine which course you will need. Question 1 asks in regards to human subjects research. If you are conducting a study that is primarily social science based and will address human behaviors by way of interviews, surveys, or case studies, then social and behavioral research investigators is most likely the best option. After you select the course, go to the bottom of the page and click the Complete Registration button. You should then see a page that provides the required modules. Click the link and take the training listed in the required modules. The required modules will show percentage points toward accuracy and completion of the modules. The minimum score for passing IRB is 80%. After you have finished the module, it will give you the option to print out the completion report or to send the completion report. Conducting research with data or laboratory specimen only. If you are not in direct contact with human subjects, you are eligible to take this course specifically. This falls under research under Category 4 exemptions and includes research that works with existing data, with documents, with records, with pathological specimen, or with diagnostic specimen. Selecting this curriculum falls under Question 1, Human Subjects Research. You will select research with data or laboratory specimen only, no direct contact with human subjects, if your study falls under this category. Once you've completed your registration, select the course at the bottom of the page and click Complete Registration. You should then see a page, again, that has required modules. Click the link and take the training listed under the required modules. Your required modules will outline again your percentage of accuracy toward completion. After you have finished the modules, it will give you the option to print out the completion report or to send the completion report. For printing your completion certificate, click on the View or Print button to create your PDF. You may save this for future reference. If you have any questions in regards to how to register for the CITI program required here at Tennessee State University, you may email irb@tnstate.edu.